Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, there are clouds across the eastern Caribbean, and there is still that weak trough system in the mid to upper levels helping to generate these areas of clouds over the eastern portion of the region, mainly affecting sections of Puerto Rico and also some parts of Hispaniola. But when we move towards the central and western portions of the Caribbean, stable conditions, dry weather is being upheld. We do have high pressure dominating much of the central and western portions of the Caribbean. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across most of the island. Temperatures are dropping to 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston to 24 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay, and we expect 5-knot winds on both coasts tonight. Now in the morning tomorrow, expect sunny conditions across most of the island. For the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions mainly across western parishes, isolated showers mainly across inland areas. Temperatures 34 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect generally sunny conditions for much of the southeast tomorrow. It's partly cloudy in Spanish Town, also in Maypen. Expect isolated showers in Mandeville. Partly cloudy conditions for Santa Cruz, Savannah Lamar, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Generally sunny conditions are likely across most of the northeast. There are partly cloudy conditions forecast for Golden Spring, Bogwalk, Moco, Christiana, Grange-Hill, Duncans, Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown. The isolated afternoon shower activity continues for the remainder of this week, mainly across sections of western parishes. And now for the marine forecasts. The winds are east-northeasterly on the north coast tomorrow at 10 to 15 knots as wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. East-southeasterlies are again expected on the south coast at 10 to 15 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then east-northeasterlies over the offshore areas at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights 1 to 1.5 meters. We're expecting winds out of the east on Thursday, Friday and Saturday at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. Expect the sunset in Kingston at 6:27, in Mandeville at 6:30 and at Negril the sunset is 6:33. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.